Okay, so I want to talk to all students. Have you settled down, beta? Hi.
Yes.
I love the energy. Yeah, good. Very nice.
Hi, sir.
You are all afraid of me. Why don't you come in the front? I can't harm you digitally.
Any two can come with us. Laka Shraddha. Deepti and Krutika. आओ कोई आओ. हाँ.
Come up,
हाँ.
come up, come up.
आओ कोई आओ. क्या कृतिका इधर आओ. तुम हाँ बैग एक इधर आओ कोई. Just a second, sir.
Yeah, it's better because when you see your, seeing experience should be better. So be near to this laptop because today we are going to learn a new meditation which is going to bring balance in your mind, bring balance in your body, in your thoughts, create your mind powerful, make you healthy, wealthy, happy. Yeah, you all want to become that. So good. First of all, have you been practicing what we did? Did you make a list of all areas of improvement for yourselves in those three domains? What were the three domains we talked about? Health,
money.
relationships, and money. Money is profession. Huh? And I told you the secret is if these three things you have in life, you are happy. So there is always room for improvement in these three domains, the things that we need to do. So did you make a list of all the improvements that you need to do in these three domains? Did you succeed in making a list? Yes. Okay. So I don't want to know your list. Don't worry. Okay, that's your private space. As long as you are aware and you are conscious and you're doing something about it, right? Then your dreams will become reality. The dream you should have is to be happy. When you dream for being happy, money becomes part of it anyway, because without money, the basic amount of money that you want, you will not be happy. So focus should not be money. What should be our focus in life?
Happiness.
Happiness. When you focus on happiness, you get health, beautiful relationships, and you get money automatically. Right? So we are going to focus on happiness. Whatever you do in your college campus, studying, learning, job tomorrow, getting married, having a boyfriend, dating, whatever, is going to be for happiness. Right? And money is needed for happiness, but only money does not give you happiness. So if you have succeeded in identifying at least one issue in each of these domains, I'm saying only one, that you need to improve, then you convert that issue into a positive affirmation. Have you been able to succeed in making positive affirmation out of that issue? Like, I want to eat healthy food. So I'll say, I always eat healthy food. It has happened already. I will not say I don't eat fried food. No. I will say I always eat happy and nutrition-rich food. That is the affirmation. Okay? Automatically, you will stop eating fried food or you'll reduce. Okay? So, have you been successful in creating these affirmations into positive affirmations?
Yes, sir.
Everyone, if anyone is having difficulty, you can ping me on my mobile. My mobile number is 932. You can note down 408-7691. Always available after our
हो
lecture.
गया.
Lifelong. Here I am.
So just a second, sir. 932
There. It's on the chat.
40
It's on the chat for everyone.
7691 91.
In fact, if you all create, if you have a group, I can start sending some good video links in these three domains of health, relationships, and happiness, of some of the learned people around us, not very long videos with which you can start your day. Because the task is to convert our awareness into consciousness, and then consciousness into mindfulness, so that our actions, we have to guide our actions, because actions is what is going to create your life. Life management is about action management, is about mind management, is about thought management. So all these things are interrelated. Once you are mindful of this fact, I can guarantee that you will be happy. And what do happy minds do? What do happy minds do?
Create happiness around.
Create happiness around, but create success for themselves. We said happiness breeds success. And we all want to be successful in life, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
The technology is very simple. Only thing is, we have been programmed to learn it upside down. We think we should start making money. We should be, having lots of money to be happy.
Yes, sir.
What happens is, in the process of making money, we lose our relationships first. Then we lose our health. And then we have money, but we are still not happy. So if we have understood now the basics, the fundamentals, then we are going to first focus on our health. Now, I came to your institute the other day. I found that there was a lovely gymnasium. Right? And I was also told that whether students come to classes or not, but gym is something that they all love. So congratulations if you're spending your some time of the day as per your convenience.
There's a gym in college.
Sorry?
So we didn't know only that there's a gym. You told us, Abhi. So it's been a day since we are here, right? So we haven't explored the whole building. The whole campus. Hello? Hello?
So I lost you there. You didn't know.
So I knew, but some of the girls didn't knew that there's a gym in the campus. Because it's been, we are doing online classes from a year. It's been a day we have started coming here. So we haven't explored the full,
Just put on your running shoes, put on your jogging shoes, run in the park. Okay. And I will tell you one thing. First day, you will have to pull yourself out of the comfort zone. Second day, you will look forward to it. And third day, you'll start enjoying it. But make that as part of your habit, just the way I told you yesterday, 10 minutes. How many of you, before getting up today, took those 10 minutes and spent with yourself? Anyone?
How many of you today, before waking up, took your 10 minutes liya khud ke liye? Kisne?
Wonderful. So even if, because those 10 minutes, I want you to make it a habit. And then you see what starts happening in your life. You'll experience the magic. Okay, so these are some of the habits that I want you to acquire and live and bring these lifestyle changes so that you succeed big time in life. Now today I am going to talk about one more meditation, which is to bring balance in our personality, in our persona, in our aura. Okay, we find that the turbulences of outside world, they do impact us. A lot of stress gets created, and that's natural. If there was no stress, the kite will not fly. But when the kite is flying, the whole world watches. So whenever you are planning to lead an organization, don't think that there'll be no stress. Stress is something that you have to learn to live with. Okay, because that minimum amount of stress is what is going to bring the best out of you. So I won't say have a stress free. I think that stress free living, whoever is talking about, that stress free living is for those people who have renounced the world, gone to Himalayas.
Sannyasi.
Right? We are not those people. We want to be successful corporate leaders. We want to be wealth creators. We want to create jobs. We want to give people employment, a purpose for their lives. So if we have that purpose for ourselves, then stress is going to be part of life. Now, what we have to do is learn to live with that stress in a way which does not damage our inner world. But what happens when there is stress? When we are dealing with stressful situations, what happens is that some of our chakras, we have 7 chakras, we have more chakras, but for our purposes today, we are going to be talking about 7 chakras. So you have heard about chakras in our body?
Yes, sir.
Most of you, because that's our Hindu scriptures, they talk about all Vedas, and there is a lot of knowledge on that. In fact, Kundalini, and then the people who have awakened Kundalini, rising consciousness, people who can look at future, look at past. So those are special powers people get. So I want you to read this book called Autobiography of a Yogi. Okay, and you will know what all powers we have discovered in our own scriptures, which now the West is taking to. And they call it, and they have westernized, and they have come out with this books like Secret, etc., which have gone on to become bestsellers. Okay, but this technology has existed always in our own scriptures. Only thing is, we don't read our scriptures, we get attracted to what the West is doing. And what West is doing today, we start doing 20 years later. So let's therefore be enlightened soul. We have knowledge here. Now, what I am going to be talking about are these 7 chakras, and I'm going to share my screen to depict okay. Now you see the position of these chakras. This is crown. It's also called crown chakra. You can see my mouse. Can you see my screen? Oh my God, you are all sharing.
Sir.
Okay, I want you to come near the laptop, please, if you can. All of us, just come near so that you are able to see the screen. All of us, all of you, just for 5 minutes or 3 minutes. I'll try to. Okay, everyone can see the screen, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So you can see my mouse. Okay.
Yes, sir.
This is out just outside your head, crown chakra. Now these are actually the energy centers in our body. Okay. Now universal energies. The principle is that all energies are there around us. Universe has abundance to give to us.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So these points, these are your energy points in the body. When you are feeling depressed, when you are feeling heartbroken, there is something happening with your heart chakra. It's out of sync. This is alignment. When any of these chakras gets out of the alignment, you will feel that your energies are not in sync. You are feeling low on energy, depression, all these negative emotions you start feeling. Lots of thoughts coming. People say, no, when we are getting into meditation, lots of thoughts are coming. It's because either one of these chakras is over energized or one of these chakras is less energized. What we have to do through this meditation, this is possible, is when we do this meditation, and every chakra you can see has a color to it. You can see this red color here. Mooladhara, root chakra it is called. Sacrum chakra, this is where what you call in Marathi Bembi, right?
Yes, sir.
And this is your solar plexus, where the solar plexus, where lung, just under that. Okay, and heart. So these are all alignment with your spine.
Correct.
Okay, but the position is at the heart. So the color is green. This color is blue.
Yes, sir.
This is indigo. And this is violet. You heard of Vibgyor, right? The 7 colors, they are there. So you've done all the prism experiment, etc., right? The light, refraction, and then you get 7 colors. Vibgyor. Heard of that?
Yeah.
Right. So this is what is there in our body also. You see the universal energies, how they are. So this is violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red, Vibgyor. Right. So when we do, and each of these chakras also have a word associated with it, the sound, which sounds like Om, but that creates a vibration. I told you the resonance theory, right? When two bodies have same vibration, they resonate. Now, your Mooladhara chakra, that resonates with the sound Lam. Okay, Lam. And this Swadhisthana, that resonates with the sound Vam. Your Manipura is Ram. Your heart chakra is Yam. Blue, this is a throat chakra. If your throat chakra is not powerful, is not having the energy, you will not have the power to speak up.
Okay.
Okay. So each of these chakras, they have a purpose, creativity, this is love, care, this is your basic energies, physical energies. So each of these chakras, they give you a special virtue, a special capability. Okay. So all these chakras, therefore, when we do this meditation, it's a 7-minute long meditation, not a very long meditation. It's there on YouTube, which a link I will share. Just do that meditation whenever you are feeling out of sync. Okay, whenever depression comes in, when you are not able to focus, when you are feeling low, anything that's creating in your body any kind of discomfort, just do this meditation. Okay, you can do it lying down, but make sure that you are comfortable. Okay, so people require lots of medication, right? Antidepressants, and you want to do something, and the people then they say, "मेरे को cigarette चाहिए." कोई बोलेगा, "Let me have a vodka around." You don't need any of that. You can bring your body in exact sync. And, just do it maybe once, twice, thrice, depending upon how much it is out of sync, a particular chakra. So you want to learn this meditation? Should we do it?
Yes, sir.
The way we do it is we'll start with Mooladhara, because this is the root chakra. So we will imagine the universal energies flowing through our spine, through these chakras, and imagine this chakra being, it's called a chakra, so imagine it rotating at spine level. The red color, the orange color, the yellow color. Everyone knows now the position of these chakras?
Hmm.
Hmm?
8,
Solar plexus, heart, throat. What is the orange one?
Orange one, Swadhisthana.
Septum.
इधर ऊपर हाँ orange is नीचे and then red is
Third is Manipura, which is Manipura. Fourth is,
Solar plexus.
that is solar plexus. Just touch that point. Okay, just touch these points. All right. Mooladhara, touch your own points and just create the awareness that that's where your chakras in this, they are lying in the body at the spine level, right? Now, when we are, and this meditation again, it's I think it's again better that if you are around this, I don't mind if you sit on the ground, and but you should be able to see the screen, because in this meditation you will have the colors also coming on screen, the sound coming on screen, what you have to say. When you do this meditation, I want you to say the sound the way we say Om. Okay. So we say these words Lam, Vam, Ram, because these are vibrations that we create and through our sound. And these vibrations, when you do this meditation in a closed room, just don't worry about people. Just close your room and just spend your 7 minutes with yourself. Today, of course, we will listen. If you can say, it's best. You can say the words. But today, because I'm just teaching you, and you can again, I'll send you this video link also. It's there on YouTube. You can do it with this at home on your laptop. Okay?
yes sir.
So I'm going to, so this you have all understood. Now I'm going to stop sharing this and I will start with the YouTube video. Okay. And best if you can see the screen. So these are called seed mantras. Lam, Vam, Ram, Hum, O, Om, Yam, right? These are all seed mantras for different chakras. So these sounds, when we say that, along with imagination of these colors of the chakras in our body, they align our chakras. When the chakras are aligned, then the universal energies, they flow through our body seamlessly. If there's any energy block, then we get into problem physically, emotionally. So these energy blocks, when they come in the chakras, then you have some thought. People have thoughts, overpowering, too many thoughts. That means the sacral chakra here. These two chakras are over energized. So your thoughts will keep coming. Useful, useless, both. Right? So we bring all these chakras in perfect sync and alignment. Okay? So shall we start?
Yes, sir.
Okay, just sit in your comfortable position.
हाँ comfortably बैठा था
Comfortable position and deep breathing. Today you can keep your eyes open, keep looking at the screen, and look for the color. Look for the color and look for, when the screen starts, look for the word. I will be repeating the word for your information, and you can later on write and you can make some notes. But this is a very powerful, very simple and very easy meditation to bring your persona, in a very powerful state of being, where people will come, say things, things will happen in life, they will create imbalance, but you can quickly bring yourself in balance through this meditation. And once that is there, then you can do the other meditation for subconscious programming. So what we are talking about is human engineering. What we are talking about is mind engineering, because a very beautifully designed human, physically and at the mind level, is a powerhouse of energy, is a powerhouse of ideas, is a powerhouse of empowerment of all sorts, goes on to become top corporate leaders. Okay, that's what we are trying to create out of you. All right. But it won't be possible without physical engineering and mind engineering. Mind engineering I've given you. Physical engineering is what we are now talking about. Right. So both body and mind we would have attended to make you a powerful energy house. Okay. So let's start with deep breathing. I want you to all to settle down, sit down comfortably. Let me know when you are ready.
Later, please. Just sir, 1 minute, sir.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, sir. We can start.
Okay, everyone is in comfortable position. Let's start with deep breathing. Don't look at each other, just look at the screen if at all you have to, because today we are learning. Okay, you can close your eyes after some time if you want, but whenever we are shifting the chakra, we are starting with root chakra, then we go to the chakras up, right? And the colors will change, the sound will change. I want you to be aware of different colors once when the color changes on screen, so that you imagine that color at that point of the chakra and you say the sound that is coming on screen. Okay, so we start. Yes. That's red color, root chakra, Lam. Focus on the root chakra. It's red in color, rotating. The word is Lam. Lam. The next chakra, orange color, Vam. Now imagine the orange chakra receiving energy upwards of root chakra. Energy is flowing through your spine. Orange colored chakra rotating at the spine level. Vam. Feel your body being energized. You're receiving positive universal energy through your root chakra onwards to Vam. This is yellow color, Manipura. The word is Ram. Ram. Feel the energy flowing up to the Manipura chakra, rotating yellow color. Ram. 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 Anahata, heart chakra, Yam, green color. Yam. Yam. Imagine all the chakras that we have done so far, rotating, spreading the positive energy in your body. You're enjoying it, feeling better than before. Yam. See the 4 colors spreading in your body through the chakras. Yam. Throat chakra. Hum. Blue color. Hum. Where all the chakras are fully aligned, feeling better than before. Lots of positive energy flowing through your body. Third eye chakra, Ajna, Om.
वड़ा, ब्रेड पैटीज, समोसा, भजी, अभी का कुछ ले लेते थोडा. चलो सांबार बिंबार असं तयार व्हा. आणि चहा पाणी घेतलं तर वो उधर की उधर ये. कॉलेज के बाजू में भी 2-4 स्टॉल और खुले हुए. तू कॉलेज में कर रही है? अभी बाद में जाएंगे, लंच में जाएंगे. आप कुछ खा लो बेटा. हाँ, खाने में जा रहे ना. और फिर बाद में जब तुमको जाना है तो बाहर भी किधर गाड़ी में घूम के फिर
Sorry about all the vada pavs and all that came in. But I hope you could at least experience 10% of what I wanted you to experience. Just 10% also. Then when you go home, just have this video open 7 minutes, because I don't like these videos are also one hour, 7 hours long also. So at every chakra you can repeat the word and imagine the color. Say it 7 times is ideal. It'll bring your complete body in balance. Body, mind, everything will bring in balance after you do this meditation. After doing this meditation, don't speak to anyone for some time. And gradually get into your daily routine. This you can do as SOS. जैसे body में pain होता है तो क्रोसिन ले लेते हैं ना, paracetamol. This is a meditation of that type. And all of us go through a lot of turbulences around us, and then they affect us. We see something that disturbs us. Whatever is happening which creates discomfort in our body is because one of the chakras, it goes out of alignment. Now, how to bring that in alignment is through this meditation. And this is a very quick meditation, 7 minutes. Even if you did it once, you did this meditation by saying the word lam, vam, ram, yam, hum, om, am, even once on every chakra, it's very effective. But again, when you start this meditation, 3-finger technique, go to the alpha level of your subconscious mind. And then imagine the colors and the chakras of your body. You see them coming in alignment. Visualize them coming in alignment. Feel the good feeling that is getting created. And if you want to do it again, so you can go from down to up to down. That's the way to do. Continuous. You don't go down to up and again down to up. No. You create a circle. Okay? Do it as long as you enjoy it. Feel the difference. After that, you can get into your daily routine, and you will see that everyone will say after some time, you will surprise people with the balance that you bring in. A lot of people who will come and they'll throw so much anger, and you will be calm like anybody. You will respond. You will not react. That's what is the quality of a great leader. Empathy will come naturally to you because now your heart chakra is energized. When heart chakra is energized, these are the emotions: love, care, empathy. So each of these chakras have emotions and energies attached to it. Creativity, right? Intuition, right? So telepathy, etc., all here. This is, I said, power of speech, power of expression, communication, right? You want energies to do the work. Physically, you don't have energy. Neend aati hai, sab hota hai. So these are the lower 3 chakras that give you all kind of physical and those energies that are needed for day-to-day life. So you can read about it also. You will see a lot of knowledge there. It is Google uncle gives a lot of knowledge these days. So you can do your own exploration now about these chakras. But these 2 meditations are enough actually. For students, for corporate leaders, these 2 meditations are enough to stay balanced, to take powerful decisions, for creativity, to create whatever you want to create in your life, abundance of money, abundance of relationships, healthy relationships, abundance of good health, the technology I have given to all of you. But what is very important is that in these three domains that we talked about, health, relationships, and money, you need to identify your own issues which you know come in your way of improvement, success. And once you have identified, this will be a big list, I can tell you, for everyone. And this list will keep changing as you go through different phases of your life. Today's issue may get addressed, some new issue may come up. At any given time, therefore, the effort should be to really be aware of your issues. And once you have identified the issues in these three domains of health, relationships, and money, convert them into positive affirmations. Go to the subconscious level of your mind, alpha level, and program your subconscious mind through positive affirmations. Right? And do it on a continuous basis. Develop this habit of first 10 minutes spending with yourself. Last 10 minutes before your sleep also you do this meditation. You can have once a day this chakra meditation. It works wonderful before you sleep. Before you sleep, when you do this chakra meditation, your entire body comes in balance. Your next day will be a very different day. So try it today, right? Any questions?
No, sir.
Sir, today we have to close early because we have to join meeting, sir.
That's right. So
Yeah.
I will wind up now.
Yes,
And
sir.
I will rejoin on Microsoft Teams. Okay,
Yeah.
guys, all the very best. But
Thank you so much,
practice,
sir.
practice. That's what is going to make
Yes,
the
sir.
difference, huh? Okay.
Yes.
All the
Thank
best.
you.
Okay. All the best.